that? Do you feel like you want to get onto YouTube, but you're just scared, you're getting frustrated with yourself, you're really worried what other people are going to say, are they going to judge you? This video is for you. We're going to have a prep talk and I'm going to get you started on YouTube. How to overcome your fear of YouTube.
Veena V.
I don't know if I just said prep talk or pep talk. We're gonna have a pep talk now. Me and you, I wanna get you over this fear. And like off the bat, I want you to know that this is gonna take time. You really need to start getting yourself in that right mindset. You need to start practicing. This is the part that so many people miss out, is that they say, I want to start a YouTube channel, or I want to start making videos on Facebook or Instagram. But where they get stuck is that they then don't practice. They then just stay in the fear cycle, I call it, where every day that fear gets bigger and bigger and bigger and more irrational. Sometimes in life, things that we fear, it's not actually that scary. We've built it up in our minds to be this really big, green monster that is going to come and get us, and we just get petrified. Is that you? Comment below. Do you really get scared about putting yourself out there? Do you know what? This is what this channel is all about. Hello, nice to meet you, by the way. My name is Veena V and I'm obsessed with helping you to accelerate your confidence when using YouTube and social media. And please do subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I'm here every Monday and Friday giving you tips, strategies, tools, and doing what we're doing today, just having a chat. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna say some statements to you, and then I'm gonna respond with the solution, okay? So many of us in life, we are focusing on the problems and the struggles and the challenges, but we don't focus on the outcome. We don't focus on the result, and we don't focus on the solution. Anything that's happening in your life, your business, your YouTube channel right now, there is a solution for it, okay? So statement number one, maybe some of you are thinking, people are gonna judge me when I upload videos on YouTube. And my answer to you is, whose life are you living? Are you living someone else's life, or are you living your own life? You need to start doing things for yourself. If you have a message to spread, you need to ignore, and I know it's easier said than done, but that's why at the beginning of the video, I said it will take you time. It's easier said than done, but it's possible. You need to ignore those negative people and ignore those voices, because their voices then become your voice, and then you start thinking, oh yeah, like maybe I shouldn't be doing this, like who am I to do it? But I'm here to tell you that you are the person to do it. You need to be spreading your message. You need to be getting visible. How is your business, how is your YouTube channel gonna grow if you don't put yourself out there and upload videos? I also want you to start seeing those people that may be saying things to you or maybe judging you. Not only I want you to think to yourself, whose life am I living, but I want you to start feeling sorry for those people. Because a lot of the time when people judge you, and it might be your friend, it may be your parents, it might be family members, but when people start saying these things, do you know why? It's because they're scared as well. You know, my parents, they've never said to me I can't do something, but I know my mum gets so scared for me. And at the beginning, she didn't understand it. She was like, Veena, why do you have to talk about things on YouTube? Why are you doing this and that? And what I did to overcome that as I just stopped talking to her about what I was doing. So when she would call me, hey mum, when she would call me, I would talk about everything else, but I wouldn't talk about my YouTube channel or anything I'm doing on social media. And slowly over time, slowly over all these years, like she gets it now and she doesn't say anything. She knows what I'm doing and she's just fine with it. So I get it. Your parents, your husband or wife, they may be the same. It doesn't make them a horrible and evil person. And I think a lot of the time people are like, oh, haters and all this, and really put a negative spin on it. But I want you to flip it around and reverse it. And I want you to look at those people and think, do you know what? They really love and care for me. And that's why they're saying it. That's why they're saying stuff to me out of fear, okay? This is why you need to focus on yourself. This is why you need to put your content out there in the world. And the harsh reality of it as well is that anything we do in life, people are going to judge us. As soon as you accept that's what's going to happen, that's when you'll do things. You know, just today alone, I'm recording this YouTube video. I went live on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Imagine if I was always thinking, oh my goodness me, people are judging me. What are people going to think? What are people going to say? I wouldn't have potentially I wouldn't have potentially got a new subscriber. I may have not helped someone in their life. I may have not built my brand by one person a day if I keep listening to the negativity and other people's voices, or even my own inner voice. You just need to get yourself out there, because the more you keep doing it, the easier it does get. The easier it is to just switch on your camera and go make a YouTube video. You're not going to spend these hours or even days or even weeks in some people's cases of not putting your content out there. Another statement I want to cover with you today is that fear that nobody is gonna watch your video. So you may have now got over that fear of like, oh my God, what are people gonna say? But now you're finally ready to upload your YouTube video and you're like, no one's gonna watch this. Like, who's gonna watch this? Who's gonna want my content? And even when you do upload it, it's true. Maybe you'll get 5 views or 1 view. But check this out. Again, we want to flip it around and reverse it. Instead of thinking, oh my God, like who's gonna watch this, or only 5 people have watched it. No, that is freaking amazing. Congratulations to you if 5 people have watched your video. That is 5 people. Imagine 5 people in front of you right now. Imagine 10 people in front of you right now. Some people complain that their videos are getting 50 views. And I'm like, what, are you crazy? Imagine 50. That is a big number. Imagine 50 people stood in front of you, staring out at you. And they have enjoyed your video. They have come to your channel to watch your video. Imagine those 50 people, they've enjoyed your video, and then one person, just one person out of those 50 then decide to buy something from you. It might be a $2 product. It might be a $100 product. Is then your videos on YouTube worth it? Is then you uploading videos on a consistent basis to YouTube worth it? You're getting 1 sale a week. You're getting 1 new subscriber a day. All of these little actions, they make big results. I really hope this video has helped you, and I want to help you even more, okay, on your YouTube journey. I want to start growing your YouTube channel in the right way with the right mindset. If you want to spend some time with me, I have got a free webinar for you where we go even more in depth about all this YouTube mindset stuff. Not only that, I'm going to give to you 3 secrets, free secrets that people aren't talking about when it comes to growing your channel to 10,000 1,000 subscribers. I hope to see you on the live webinar. The link will be on the screen right now, and I'll also link it below this video. I can't wait to see you. And also I will see you next week for even more videos to really accelerate your confidence on YouTube and social media. Subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. And remember, you've got to keep rising. You've got to keep smiling. Ding! And I just want you to be the ultimate version of yourself. I'll see you really soon. Bye.
Don't know why. I believe we'll find a way from far behind. Hope is blind.